Well, today we're coming back from spending several days in Laredo, Texas. It is Easter weekend. We're going to go ahead and pull over at a nice little rest area in Colorado County, right off of I-10. It's about 100 miles west of Houston. It's a really nice, clean roadside rest area. It has picnic tables, it has grills, it has nice, clean bathrooms. It has vending machines. It's a really nice place. We're going to do an overnight camping trip there, and we're going to head back into Houston tomorrow. And we're going to invite you for a virtual steak dinner. Stay tuned. We're going to show you how it's done. I think you're going to enjoy it. There's another shot of the Columbus rest area. See, we have a beautiful full moon tonight. And all the rigs that are pulling in for the night. And there we are, there's our rig. Here's our grill. We've got our charcoal in there already. Here's our steak we're gonna have for dinner. And our adult beverage along the side while we're cooking our meat. I do have some seasoning. It's gonna be the Montreal steak seasoning for tonight. You can see here's all the vehicles parked outside. Let me go ahead and get this grill lit. Now this charcoal is, of course, is the Matchlight charcoal that already has the fluid. Inside the briquettes themselves. I also keep regular charcoal with regular fluid, but I thought this would be a little more convenient. One less thing to carry from the camper to the grill. I have a little difficulty with this match. I think that's going to get caught up. And now we're cooking. This is a couple of thin ribeye steaks. I'm using Montreal seasoning for the steaks. Carol's inside the camper preparing the salad, and we're going to have dinner in the camper once it's done. You can see the fire is going nicely here. I'm waiting for the charcoal to get ready. The facility is beautiful and very well maintained by the state of Texas. The wind has laid down quite a bit today. We are on our way home from Laredo, Texas. We did buy these steaks in Laredo at a meat market, by the way, to cook for dinner before we left. You can see traffic coming and going to the rest area. This is on I-10, so it's going to be fairly busy all night long as the traffic goes through. This is Easter holiday weekend. It is Friday night. The traffic was very, very heavy coming out of Houston. We were coming from San Antonio towards Houston. We're about 100 miles west of Houston right now, and we are headed home. we decided to go ahead and overnight at the rest area so we wouldn't be fighting the heavy holiday traffic trying to get into town and drop off the fifth wheel at storage. Our charcoal is coming along nicely. And what we're going to do is, I did find a little stick over in the trees. It's right next to this. This is what I call my poker stick. I'm going to start laying those bit of charcoals down so they're not riding so high. Make them a little bit more even. You want to make one side with a little bit less charcoal than the other side, so that way you have an area, a cool spot that you can set your steaks on. So we'll push all that over to one side. And you can control your cooking accordingly. So you'll have a hot side and a cooler side. Carol likes her steaks well done. I like mine medium rare. So I'm going to drop hers on first. This fire is still a little bit hot for the steak, so I'm going to let it burn a little bit longer. Okay, we have our steaks on the grill now. I've got Carol's steak on the hot side, mine sitting on the cooler side. She likes her steaks well done. I like mine medium well. So I'm cooking mine slower than hers. And I'll check back with y'all then shortly. Steaks are still cooking, they haven't been turned over yet. I wanted to show you that one of the beauties of these grills is that they have adjustable grates on them. You can see they're on the side. And so all you have to do is just grab the grate and then select what level you want. So you can also vary the temperature by setting one grate higher. So you can see that the grate is cooking. The one on the left side is getting less heat than the one on the right side. Carol likes her meat well done. I like mine medium well. And so it allows her to cook quicker than mine. Alright, we're getting ready to give our steaks a turn here. Ooh, that looks nice. Very nice. We are in the camper now, and this is what dinner looks like. We have thin ribeye. Mine's medium. Carol's is well done. We have rice that was left over from our trip, and then our salad is sliced tomatoes and raw onion that has been drizzled with lemon. And bon appetit. We're going to enjoy our dinner. Good night. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And you might as well hit that notification bell too, so that way you'll see our new videos when they come out.